Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another amazing unboxing video for you. I ordered this CONFINITY 60L waterproof hiking backpack from Lazada and it just arrived. I'm so excited to use it for my upcoming camping trip. It looks so awesome and practical. So let's get started. Here's the parcel that I received. It's well packed and protected. I'm going to open it now and see what's inside. Wow, look at this. This is the CONFINITY 60L waterproof hiking backpack. It's huge and spacious. It has a lot of features and functions. Let me show you them one by one. The first thing I notice is the color. I choose the green one, but there are other colors available such as black, dark blue, orange, and more. The green color is very nice and vibrant. It matches well with the nature and the outdoors. It also makes the backpack stand out and easy to spot. The second thing I notice is the material. It's made of high-quality Oxford and polyester fabric, which is water-resistant and tear-resistant. It's very durable and sturdy. It can withstand harsh weather and terrain. It can also protect your belongings from getting wet or damaged. The third thing I notice is the capacity. It's 60 liters, which means it can hold a lot of stuff. It's perfect for hiking, camping, mountain climbing, cycling, and other outdoor activities. It has a spacious main compartment with a laptop pocket. It also has 3 zippered front pockets, 2 mesh side pockets, and a shoe bag. It has a lot of space and pockets to organize your things. The fourth thing I notice is the design. It has a lot of details and features that make it more convenient and comfortable to use. So there are the main features and function of this CONFINITY 60L waterproof hiking backpack. It's very affordable backpack. You can buy it from Lazada. I'll leave the link in the video description below. Here's my backpack. As you can see, it looks very neat and organized. I can easily access and find what I need. I don't have to worry about my things getting wet or damaged. Everything is safe and secure. I love this CONFINITY 60L waterproof hiking backpack. I highly recommend it to anyone who loves to explore and have fun in the outdoors. It's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.